It's the traveling hot It's like the gold in the front of his thing. Like, you don't see him. He's on the outside of the road.
그럼 뭐 채널로다가 차오네. 채널로 메고. 아카리우네. 가게 받아. Cái này hấp bánh.
Will the candidates for graduation rise and remain standing? President Niemer, the candidates are assembled.
Good morning, everyone. Congratulations, graduates. Welcome to the University of Akron, all of us that are visiting. Please remain standing as we join Jacob Ziggery in singing our national anthem.
Tiga palamu. Hah?
You ain't this.
Para ulo.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's fast gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous
36 commencement ceremonies. We welcome graduates, we welcome the parents, spouses, relatives, and friends who have helped make this day possible and share your pride in this celebration. I would like to now introduce Senior Vice President and Provost, Dr. Glenn Price, to join me in introducing you to some of the people you see here before you today. Please hold your applause until everybody has been introduced.
Good morning. We are joined this morning by representatives of our distinguished faculty. We are fortunate to have such a remarkable group of individuals who are experts in their field, sharing the deep knowledge of our students and challenging them to reach their life goals. At the University of Akron, faculty are not only teachers and mentors, but they remain scholars first and foremost. And their writing and research helps to shape our understanding of the world. Members of the faculty, will you please rise and remain standing until all introductions are complete.
We are honored to have with us members of the Board of Trustees of the University of Akron. I ask that they stand and remain standing as I call their names. Chair Michael J. Saxon of Copley, Rick Fedorovich of Hudson, Mark Lerner of Bath, Thomas Waltmeyer of Greene, Brian Williams of Fairlawn, Advisory Trustee David W. James of Akron, Student Trustees Jordan Walensky of Akron, Maxwell Pastoria of Akron, and officers of the board, Caitlin Phipps of Coventry, Mia Yanko of Akron. On the stage today are administrators representing a variety of divisions working for the success of the university. We thank them for their leadership and ask those present with us to stand at this time.